Welcome back everyone, this is Thomas Chang. Today I'm going to be making the last video of the year in 2024. And we're going to be talking about why the Innex Cube and the Jabra Speak 275 could possibly form the better 360-degree conferencing experience in your conference room. Well, let's take a look at the design. You put the Jabra and the Cube together, they are strikingly similar. They go for that black metal look, very well designed, very solid in your hand. Nice paint, you put your finger across the paint, feels silky smooth. I can really hold on to it all day long. And one cool thing about the Jabra Speak 275 is its newest LED ring light design. When you press on the power, oh, look at this, it just turns on beautifully. All the buttons become visible and the beautiful green ring light LED starts to circle the entire speakerphone. It just looks so cool. Now let's try to answer the big question here. A lot of people do ask this question. A 360-degree AI conference tabletop camera such as the Innex Cube sounds great if people are talking and looking at each other. However, a lot of times people are looking at the front, at the TV, at the remote audience, at the PowerPoint. In that case, the Cube or the 360-degree camera of any kind will only be capturing the side of their faces. So what do we do about it? So there are many 360-degree conference camera out there and everybody takes a different approach. Take a look at the Meeting Owl. They have done a splendid job in pioneering the 360-degree tabletop camera. And they also understand that this problem exists. So their answer is to add a video bar in the front, right below the TV. And that video bar will sync with the 360-degree camera. And through AI, they will determine which device is more suitable to capture the faces of the participant. If they are looking front, they'll use the video bar. If they are looking at each other, they'll use the 360-degree camera. On the other hand, Innex Cube take a more simple and straightforward approach. Because the Innex Cube is so light, so what we do is we simply just move the cube from the center of the table to the front. And the AI inside, it automatically captures the faces of the participant as they look forward. Wait a minute. Well, you can kind of do that to other 360-degree tabletop camera as well, right? Other cameras built like a water bottle, 2 cables, 1 USB, 1 power, making it really difficult to move. And if you don't believe me, take a look on how easy it is and how light it is for the Cube to move on its own. Okay, let's get back to the topic. Let's say if there is a third person that comes into the shot, such as now I'm sitting across at the back of the table, and obviously I'm quite far away from the Cube, and the microphone pickup range may not be good enough to pick up my voice. So this is a perfect time to introduce an external speakerphone such as the Jabra Speak 275. Look at how we were able to move the Jabra Speak 275 from this end of the table all the way to my end because it's actually Bluetooth pairing or USB dongle. Move it right across the table, slide it under me, and now the voice pickup is very, very good. And notice how the LED light changes from orange to green. This actually means that I'm in range for optimal microphone pickup, a great indicator on the speakerphone itself. So this is why I believe this could be a better bundle experience for 360-degree conference camera. The reason why is the camera could be all the way in the front, capture the faces of participants when they're looking at the display, yet the microphone can be moved across the table because it's light and it's movable to better pick up the audio in the room, giving that ultimate experience with the flexibility of combining 2 great technologies and brands together.